Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Coloring Party with Friends 2023. Anyone can join in. Think about it. We love having new people joining in every week. Please leave me a comment and let me know you joined in, for I make sure to go over and check out your coloring. And I hope you enjoyed what I colored last week, and you can go check out the video if you want to see more. Now, let's go check out my co-hostesses and what I also colored this week for Coloring Party with Friends. Think about joining in, my dear friends. We would love to have you. You can do it any Monday, anytime. Just do good taste and some great coloring. And you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just here to have fun with friends. Here is my awesome friend Crafting with Pat. Oh my gosh. She is an awesome friend, and she always joins in for Coloring Party with Friends and my garden tour on Saturday. Please go check out her channel and see what she does. Lots of great content on her videos, from coloring, gardening, and all kinds of things to do with crafts also. Great channel. And another one of my great co-hosts is Designing with Emma. She does all kinds of coloring, crafting, shopping, and of course, home decor. Go check out this awesome creator and see what she does. Beautifully done. I can't tell you how many beautiful videos she's put together on her channel. And there's 925 videos to choose from. Please go check it out. And here is another one of my awesome fun friends, Jamie's Colorful Kingdom. If you love coloring and you love doing art and you also like seeing different things to do with movies, this is the channel for you. He is very creative and he comes up with some great flip throughs on some great coloring books also. Go check out Jamie's channel. They are awesome. Now let's go see what Grandma did today for Coloring Party with Friends. Please check out everyone's videos and give them some love and support. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Monday, and what do we do every Monday? We do Coloring Party with Friends. Oh yeah, here we are for the party. And as you can see, I have put a beautiful centerpiece together for you to enjoy at the beginning of every video I put up for Coloring Party with Friends, because it's a party we want to enjoy with our friends. Hope you are having a wonderful Monday after a great weekend, my dear friends. Well, let's go see what Grandma's going to share with you today. Well, you know we're coloring in our large print, stress-free, easy coloring and framing books. I love these books, and I have 2 of them. And I'm coloring 1 page in each book because you know Grandma gets bored easy, and I love sharing what I do with all of you. So sit back and get ready to see what I colored this week. And thank you all for joining in. Now remember, you can join in every week or once in a while. And you can color anything you want as long as it's in good taste. And we love having you here, and there's very few rules, and you can even put your video up anytime on Monday. It can be early or it can be late. Just try to do Monday, and if you find out you can't do it until Tuesday, it's still okay. Just make sure you use hashtag Coloring Party with Friends 2023. That's probably the only rule we have. We're pretty easygoing over here, and make sure it's in good taste also. Well, let's see what Grandma colored this week. Well, I hope you enjoy the page I picked this week. We have a lot of hearts, and I've mostly colored this all with greens, yellows, oranges, and a little bit of red. And of course, I used my favorite technique to finish off the background, and I took some of the colors that I used to do it with. And of course, at close-up, it doesn't look very pretty, but when you get back away from it, doesn't it look beautiful? And it's so easy to do. You just get the colors you want, you put it on a damp paper towel, and just dab it all around. I hate just looking at an empty white space. This way I can color my background with very little effort, and it adds a lot to the picture. Let me know what you think of this technique. Now, I have already shared in past videos how I do it, and maybe I'll share again in the future. But go and check what we usually do every week. We always share something new and different on Coloring Party with Friends. And this week, this is what I did. I love gardening themes, and the flowers are beautifully, and they did a great job on the design. I also do a lot of shading on my coloring, as you can see. The leaves have quite a few different shades of different greens, a little bit of yellow to change it, and the same with the flowers. They have mostly oranges and yellows and different shades of orange, also light and dark. And then I put a little bit of turquoise in the center just to have a little more contrast. I thought it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you thought of my first page that I did. I like having a lot of variety and a lot of color. Okay, sit down with your cup of tea. My next page is coming. And here's our second page. I thought it turned out pretty nice. As you can see, I did a lot of shading on it also. And I keep saying I'm going to share with you guys what I shade and how I do it. But I haven't done it yet, so maybe we'll get around to it this coming week. Well, I thought it turned out pretty good. I loved how my clouds turned out like it's storming. We've had a lot of rain lately. And of course, the beautiful butterflies. And as you can see, my flowers all have multiple shading and different colors in them, with this one here having orange, yellow, and different shades of orange, just to have a little bit different. Then my leaves were also green with a little bit of orange and a little bit of yellow in them. And then when I got down to the grass, we used greens, oranges, and yellows there and blended in there too. The center flower, we have mostly done the outside with a orange, and then I filled in with a greenish and yellow in the center. And I thought it turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you thought. And of course, like always, we get a damp paper towel, put the colors that we've used or want to use in your picture. This one, I wanted to use a lot of blue, so I didn't really pick a lot of colors from the picture like I usually do. There's a little bit of different colors if you can really look. A little bit of green with the blues, and at the bottom I used green for the grass. But up here it was mostly the blue and a little bit of green also, just to give a little more contrast. But I thought it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you thought of my 2 pages. Hugs and kisses to all of you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for all your love and support you always show. We always love you stopping by for the party. Hope you all had a good time today, my dear friends. And don't forget, we do this every Monday, and just remember to use hashtag Coloring Party with Friends. And you can put a video up anytime you want on Monday. Just make sure that you're coloring something in good taste. That's probably about the only real rule. And because you can put a picture up, or pictures, or multiple, whatever you want to do, every Monday, anytime, doesn't matter. Love you all. Thanks so much for stopping by for Coloring Party with Friends. Always love having you here, my dear friends. And it's always fun spending time with your friends. And I hope you enjoyed the centerpiece I put together today. And as you can see, just like my coloring, I like a lot of color and shading. And look at how much color I put in all my flower arrangements. Bye-bye for now, until next Monday. And as you can see, a little fairy to say bye to you too.